sa wo hwe abakosemu a yewura John Agyekum Kufuor sa bre na obeye candidates for MPP no 1996 no na NDC for seat bebre wo parliament bebre te said de ne umanyai bebre wo parliament na omudi ye ketwa bi nanso omudi yewura John Agyekum Kufuor sa ba 2000 no kai se sa bre ne na enye JJ no ye very popular ena na omudi ne ekọ na omudi candidate NDC for the candidate foforo ena na ekọ nemum na John Mahama de ye kan say John Agyekum Kufuor de na papa no Ghana for atenenka in 1996 because Sobekaya in 1992-1993 elections no MPC de omu boycott MPP for anko ane no muka say stolen verdict omu susu say Jerry John Rawlings were wia abanim enti omu boycott kra anti MPs omu enye binti NDC for na ne court na Parliament 1992 kwa till 1996 enti yewura John anokra oni adubu ahene ekoye 1992 de no oni adubu ahen ena JJ wini ye 1996 ena MPP for yi Kufuor ena Kufuor ni JJ ebaye Kufuor timi ye ya agi seat ni bi ema MPP but still na neswa JJ hwe no from in fact in 1996 JJ 10 regions ni nyina no JJ hwe MPP ene Kufuor 9 regions only Ashanti region ena MPP wini ye pajomunti o only Ashanti region in 1996 ena MPP wini ye but in 2001 elections no yewura Kufuor ne Atamils ne koye eno kra no first round went me the bua no ne say second round the bear mu a parties in kitten no CPP ni na busuafo be ka ho omo form alliance and the man Kufuor timi win ye with the second round of elections no in 2004 JJ anyhow but JJ campaign no na den pa obo Atamils but Atamils still Kufuor ehwe no but from 2007 as 2007 no MPP for call Legon 17 people decide they say obia person be president no eho kai say na yewura Atamils Ghana for atenenka in 2000 elections 2004 elections Ghana for nim no enti time MPP for kochusu na Akufo-Addo no afin na Ghana for nso behu na Akufo-Addo as a president samre no na Atamils more popular than Akufo-Addo ena samre no nso na Ghana for adwa say Kufuor corruption kakra wacheche nkrofo agum petrol no ne sa nyoma no ena Atamils nso na wabre ne ho ase ameze mepa asumdwi ameze sa enti samre nso de na Akufo-Addo ani so ohye o hwe de ani so ohye
Nhyira FM
ena Ghana for tutia Akufo-Addo unfortunately yewura Atamils free mo no around June ho baby no John Mahama take you over no still na NDC ye popular enti 2012 elections no yehu de siye John Mahama ehwe Akufo-Addo by over 300,000 votes but in 2016 no na asesa because yewura John Mahama na kasa memu na Ghana for so mumpe yenim de siye close to 1 million enya 1 million no nyae close to 1 million votes ena Nana Akufo-Addo ede twe John Mahama mu but tie honti na me boss our voices we because enano permitro bibi o social media na nkofonti ase de yewura Farouk Mahama ekaye no de na o pa che ne say the first said Dr. Bawumia lusu ene enche say 2028 ontimi wini sa asem na o kaye no as usual NDC for ni bi no mo so pano no didi na tem Bawumia ebede no aba Bawumia de wawie Bawumia oye finish Bawumia hwan na beto ama Bawumia mum de tese as usual omo keka do moka ena me tro say ede na cheo se Bawumia ontimi be win 2028 because time ajo Mahama ye na adwen se obesa aba no yenya MPP fo a omuka se John Mahama de wawie omma biem John Mahama obepede Mahama see ati de okan I'm sure say nyina e wa ha MPP fo no omuka se John Mahama de wawie ombe president biem ebi na da ho no Charles Owusu MPP or say to baby write it somewhere Mahama can never be president again Kofi Google Mahama sa de name krofo makeka akasa anyoma no make history be atro kakra because the basis that or they can say I agree with him ne say memma NDC for nyoma dwen say Bawumia lusu enne enti Bawumia ntimi be president 2028 enti na maka abakọ sema kire wo no time bia na party foforo de new candidate beba no otai lusu make biem time bia na party de new candidate eba no otai lusu ansa na recover asaba omampanyi kofo lusu ye Atam Mills elusu ye Bawumia elusi de no bi ka chem say wo hwe gab ne pa 1.7 million gab pa dia enya dia Bawumia betimi and I'm say na the munim history ana Ghana for Emma John Mahama nearly 1 million votes gap say ya bo John Mahama free ho ye hu de si ye yentie campaigns ni bi ni entie de nkrofo kan ye efa John Mahama ho na afie de aya analysis no
Mahama be president bim en sinto so be president obi o to Mahama so be president en sita it will never happen in this country some Mahama be president bim en sita say them liman e ba ye no koye no wọ́n sọ ìkyerẹ́ ọ̀sán àbáṣọ kò pé president ní bí ọmọ ẹ̀dì wọ́n di sáà ní ọjà àdókò kọ́ ẹ̀ sáà pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ na Mahama bẹ́ẹ̀ kakrakra ọjà ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀họ́ sáà tìm náà ọ̀fọ̀ ní ọjà họ.
I am not a prophet, but John Mahama cannot win 2024 elections.
Me say Mahama won president BM nothing. BM oh na say nipa wan enu obi abewu tiene ne say ọjà ọ̀rọ̀ sáà na ọkọ because of dum so the year coaster anane Solomon anane ni kromu Mahama bia ofiri onom dwaben anti Esther no ton ayi wo ha sei oye coaster ha ni sika nyina ahye and Mahama eti na
no so
because okra ka say Ghana for enche na refi enti na Mahama nya kokuduro so ba president obi no to Mahama so be president sita. It will never happen in this country. Some Mahama be president bim. See that. Say them liman e ba ye no koye no. Wọ́n sọ ìkyerẹ́ ọ̀sán àbáṣọ kò pé president ní bí ọmọ ẹ̀dì. Wọ́n di sáà ní ọjà àdókò kọ́ ẹ̀. Sáà pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ na Mahama bẹ́ẹ̀. Kakrakra ọjà ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀họ́ sáà tìm náà ọ̀fọ̀ ní ọjà họ.
Oye Kofi Apalu. Yentie kakra. Na Akufo-Addo ni MPP fo ni bi.
Allowed to be president who cannot answer. Nobody should be allowed to be president who cannot answer these questions straightforward.
One can say we are home.
He knows. 2024, we are breaking the edge.
I'm going to break it to the
They can't stop us.
It to know a woman change.
When we meet mano a mano, we can debate, and the country will see.
The digital gates didn't open for the digital man.
In fact, You can engage in all the propaganda you want.
Where the young can be brave, you say, yeah, you know, any chrome.
But if the fundamentals are weak,
The digital gates will expose you.
Kasongo.
Obejina 1,000 times, Obelusu 1,000 times. Opa choto.
Now, somebody would say that during the last election, he garnered about 6 million and over votes. But you know, he may stand as a flag bearer for the party 1,000 times, but he will lose 1,000 times. You can mark today's.
I just saw you
He needs a mighty hand. And that hand ought not to be the hand of an idol.
Divine hand.
He needs a divine hand.
And
it is only that divine hand that would deliver him from that curse.
And Obejina 1,000 times, Obelusu 1,000 times. Opa choto.
Now, somebody would say that during the last election.
Now, me bowe ema unhu bibi. Politics. Kakra me hunie. Se oba fofra. Eya na ohu akono papa. Obia pe wasem. Obia pe position into obia nhyɛ danka nokre ne nkyerɛw. Die wobɛyɛ bia ɛyɛ. Afi obehu se die ebi opposition bi kan nyansa sem wom no eno kra no susu se ede na wo kan nti NDC fo na ni age Bawumia de but se wonim history you should know se enne aye kasei enne vote na sesa